Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Huawei's EMUI version and that security updates are applied. This prevents connection quirks. Once done, get the VPN server address, username and password, plus any pre-shared key from your provider. Now decide whether to use Huawei's built-in L2TP/ISEC option for simple setup or install a third-party app like OpenVPN for more control. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi data is enabled before continuing, because the phone needs an active network to create the tunnel. You now configure the connection. Open Settings, More Connections, VPN, then add a VPN profile. Choose the protocol your provider recommends, enter the server address, username and password, and paste the pre-shared key when required. This establishes authentication and encryption. If you're using an app, import the OFBAN file or install the provider's APK from the Play Store alternative, then grant necessary permissions and allow the app to manage connections. Make sure to save the profile and test a quick connect to verify credentials. You finish by tapping the saved profile to connect and accepting the VPN permission prompt. This allows the tunnel to run. After connection, verify success by checking your public IP or loading a site blocked in your region. This proves traffic is routed through the VPN. If it fails, try quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode to reset radios, reconnect to Wi-Fi, then retry. If problems persist, open the VPN app logs or contact your provider for server status. Make sure credentials and protocol match provider recommendations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.